Good morning students. Welcome back to online classes. Last class we discussed directing chapter. In directing chapter we discussed communication. We discussed communication, what meaning of the communication, we discussed barriers of the communication, we discussed types of communication, we discussed, and even we discussed effective communication also we discussed. Okay, and the chapter we are already ended. Now we are going to start up the new chapter. New chapter name it is controlling. Okay, new chapter name it is controlling. And first of all, before saying the controlling, we have to say functions of management. What are the functions of management? First function is planning. Okay, first function is planning. First function is planning. Second function is organizing. Third function is staffing. Fourth function is directing. Last function is controlling. Last function is controlling. Okay, this is the functions of management. This is functions of management. We already know about this: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. We don't know controlling, but up to directing we know. We already discussed. Planning means we have to plan based on the objectives. First, they will prepare objectives. Based on that, we are going to plan in organization. Based on the objective, we are going to prepare the plan here. Okay. Next, organizing. Based on the plan, we are going to frame the structure here. We are going to frame the structure. We are going to frame the organization here. Okay. Based on the plan, we are going to structure. Staffing. Staffing means putting the people into the job. We are putting the people into the job. Means staffing in that we discussed it. Means what are the topics we discussed? Staffing function means training. We are providing training, recruitment, selection process. We discussed in staffing process. Staffing means we are select the peoples. We are select and putting into the job. Is called as a staffing only. Okay. Directing means here observing. Okay. Observing the people. Who will observe here? The manager will observe here. Will observe here means the manager will observe whether doing the work or not. They will observe here. If they will not do means, if they will not observe means, the employees will not work here. The employees will not work here. That's why the manager, they will continuously, they will observe. These are all functions, it is continuous functions only. Okay. Objective it is only one time they will do. Plan based on the situation, they will plan. Example, corona effect, corona pandemic. If it is there means they have to plan based on that. Because situation it is very critical. How the employees will come, how they will do work here. So they have to keep in mind and they have to work effectively, efficiently here. Okay. Next it is controlling. Now we are going to discuss about controlling only. Controlling means it is ensuring the activities. Okay. Ensuring the activities in an organization as per the plan they are going to perform, or they perform as per the plan is called as a controlling. Now today we are going to discuss about your plan. We are going to discuss about controlling. The last function of the management we are going to discuss it today. Okay, we will see now. the activities, ensuring the activities in an organization, perform as per the plan is called as a controlling. See here, students, understand, listen carefully here. Controlling means ensuring the activities. Ensuring means make sure. Ensuring means make sure. Make sure they have to do the activities in the organization. Okay, and they have to make sure they have to do the activities performed based on the plan and as per the plan. See here, they are performed as per the plan here. The company, they will plan before giving the work. They will plan and they will give. You have to produce per day 100 units only. They will give target. You have to produce 100 units year only. Okay, like that they will give target. Means they will give, already they have plan. Okay, they will, every organization they will plan for 1 year. They will plan for 1 year. Compulsory they will plan. If it is any problems will arise, as example corona pandemic, if it is arises nowadays, at the time what they will do? If they will prepare 1 year plan, means they will change or not, means definitely they will change. Definitely they will change based on situations. They will change the plan year. Okay, based on situations they will change the plan year. Okay, and if it is there based on situations they will work, means they have to do the work here effectively and efficiently. Even management, the manager will give the work to the employees in correct direction. They will provide to the organizations. Okay, and here they will provide the work based on the target. Example I told, you have to produce 100 units per day. You have to produce 100 units per day. Means who will plan this one? The manager will plan this one. Means based on the plan we are going to produce the goods and services in the organization. Okay, he is called as a controlling. Who is going to controlling here? The manager. The manager will controlling here. The manager have full powers to control here. How they will control? Means they will give the work and they will observe. If it is there any corrections, means immediately they will take action. That is controlling. Okay, controlling means make sure or ensuring the activities in an organization performed as per the plans. As per the plans is called as a controlling. Okay, is called as a controlling. Next we will see definition of the organization. Sorry, definition of the controlling. Okay. Okay students, this is definitions of the controlling. Okay, according to the Knowles and Journal, managerial control means implies that measurement. What they will measure here means accomplishment. Accomplishment means here it is meaning achieve the against the standard and corrections. If it is there any correction, means they will take immediately action. They will reduce the mistakes. If it is there any mistakes, means they will rectify that one. They will solve these mistakes. Okay, they will corrections of deviation. Deviation means mistakes mistakes here. If it is there any mistakes. Example, in company they have to produce 100 units per day. They have to produce 100 units per day. Means in that 30 days, 2 days, 30 days in 2 days, power problem is there. If it is there, power problem means here they will not produce 100 units on that 2 days. If they will not produce means what will happen? Means the target will not complete. That's why this is the one mistake also. If it is there power problem, the manager have to see and he have to solve the power problem. If he will solve means at that time they will produce the 100 units only. Okay, they have to solve the 100 units. They have to solve the power problem. If they will solve means here they will produce 100 units only. If they will not solve means they will not produce. Means what are the mistakes is there? Here it is power problem is there. That is also one mistake. Means they have to find out that mistake and after that they have to take effective action. When they will take means that time we can achieve the problems easily and we can achieve the organization goals here easily. Okay? And according to the plan, according to the objectives, we are going to do the work here. Okay? This is definitions of the control. Now we are going to explain the importance of controlling. What are the importances there? Means if good controlling system is there in our company means definitely they can achieve the organizational objectives easily. Otherwise they can't achieve the organizational objectives. How the good controlling system in the organization? We will see if it is good controlling system, if they want to maintain means what are the points they have to follow, what are the rules they have to take, what are the guidelines they have to take. Let's discuss now. Okay, let's understand that now. Okay, importance of controlling. Importance of controlling. What are the importances there? We will see now. Okay. First one is it helps in achieve the organizational goals. Okay. And second one is it helps in judging accurate and standards. And third one is it helps in effective use of resources. Okay, and it helps in effectively motivate the effective motivation. It's enough. ensuring the discipline and action. And sixth one is it helps in coordination of action, okay, which is coordination of action, and that is disciplining action or ordering, okay. We can write here also ordering. Ordering and discipline. This is importance of controlling, okay, which is help to achieving the organizational goals and which is help to judging the accurate on standards and which is helps in effective use of resources and which is helps to improving the efficient motivation, which is help to ensuring the order and discipline, and the last one is it is help to coordination in action. This is the importance of organization, okay. Now we are going to discuss, now we will understand one by one. Now first one is it helps in achieving the organizational goals, okay. In every organization they implement the plan. Yes, they will implement the plan here, okay. They will implement the plans. For the purpose of what purpose they will implement here? Means to achieve the organizational goals. That purpose they implement the plans here, okay. What purpose they implement the plan is for achieving the organizational goals here, okay. Even they will take and certain options. They will find out what are the mistakes in our organization. Example already I told. Which example means they have to produce 100 units per day. Sometimes if it is power it is not there means they can't produce. Yes, every day they have to produce 100 units. Sometimes power it is problem if it is there means they can't produce. Without power they can't produce the goods and services. Yes or no? Yes, without power they can't produce. At the time they have to manager how to take that initiative. They have to take and they have to solve that problem. When they will solve that problem means we can achieve the problems here easily. Otherwise we can't achieve the problems here easily. That's why when they will achieve the problems at the time we can achieve the goals easily, okay. That's why here they can achieve the, when it is controlling system is there means at the time we can achieve the organizational goals easily, okay. And see here it includes judging the accurate and standards. Yes, every organization they can verify the standards and accurate means they can, every organization they can verify the judging accurate and standards. How means they know how they will produce. The employee capability they know, but there is some problem is there. What's the problem? Example water facilities if it is not there means. Example it is power facilities if it is not there means. At that time what will happen means they will not produce goods and services properly. When they will not provide all facilities means at that they will not produce the goods and services effectively, efficiently. They will not provide that time we have to provide these all facilities, means water facility, power facilities. If we will provide means that time they can produce the goods and services what we are giving target to the employees, same that target they can complete and they will give to you. Okay, and even the company they have to, even the company have set up rules and regulations. Yes, every company have set up rules and regulations. Set up rules and regulations every company have. Based on the situation they have to plan. Based on the situation. What is the situation? Example, corona pandemic. If it is there, corona means we have to change that situation, we have to change the plan. Per day 100 units they have to provide. Means before corona they are producing 100 units. But now only 50 units they will produce. Why? Means due to corona we should not we can't produce the goods and services 100 units. Why? Means everything is locked. Nobody will purchase. Nobody will take. Means nowadays every people will take only basic needs. They will not do here little time. Everyone see, I want basic needs. That's it. They are thinking at the time we have to produce only 50 units. Based on the situation we have to change the plan here. When we will change means at that time we will achieve the organizational goals. Otherwise we can't achieve the organizational goals. Based on the situation we have to plan and we have to give the certain restrictions, rules, regulations we have to frame based on the situation, based on the environment they have to plan here. Okay, the next as it helps in effective use of the resources. Yes, the good controlling system which is reduce the wastage and spoilage of the resources. Okay, the good controlling system. The good controlling system. The good control system reduce the wastage and spoilage of resources. Okay, good controlling system reduce the wastage and spoilage of the resources. Okay, see here, if it is there any good controlling system in organization, they can reduce. How they will reduce means I will give example. See here, if we will provide training to people means employees. If we will provide training, if we will giving motivation, if we will encouraging, what are the facilities they want, everything we will provide means automatically they will work effectively, efficiently. When they will do effectively, efficiently, at that time we can reduce the wastage and spoilage of the resources. Even employees also will know. Okay, if we will providing all facilities to the employees means employees feeling this is our organization. We should not waste resources here. We have to utilize these resources. At the time we can save the resources here. If we will not providing anything, example, if we will not providing any facilities to the employees means at the time they will not work effectively. When they will not work effectively means at the time automatically the wastage spoilage resources also it may be arises. The manager have to observe if it is there any resources wastage spoilage, if it is there means they have to check If it is there means they have to correct it, this damages and wastage of the goods also. Okay, and this is controlling system reduce the wastage and spoilage of the resources. And next one it is improving the effective motivation. Improving the effective motivation means motivation. See here, motivation means already you know last class no. We discussed it before classes. Yes, motivation. What do you mean motivation? What are the functions of the motivation? We discussed it. Motivation means stimulate the peoples to achieve the organizational goals. Stimulating the peoples, encouraging the peoples. Motivation means here it is encouraging. Encouraging the employees to achieve the organizational goals. Okay, here it is encouraging the peoples. Okay, encouraging the employees to achieve the organizational goals. How they will encourage here? How they will encourage means they will provide here facilities. Means extra facilities they will provide. What are the extra facilities? Means bonus. They will provide bonus and they will provide incentives. They will provide extra salary and they will provide foreign report. These are all facilities. If they will provide means compulsory the employees will encourage. They will get encouraging. Oh, this is our organization. They are providing all facilities to us. We have to do something to organization. If we will do means even they will get promotion also. Even they will give promotion they will give to us. Like that they will think they will work effectively, efficiently. Okay, that is the main reason they will provide these are all facilities in the organization. Okay, these are all programs we conduct in the organization. Okay, and next one it is help to encouraging the order and discipline. Yes, here it is encouraging the ordering and discipline. Here in organization they will create the atmosphere of and discipline atmosphere they will create here. How they will create means example I will tell. See, nowadays in every organization we will see CC cameras. CCTVs we can see. In every organization we can see CCTVs. Yes, CC cameras we can see. Okay, why they are providing CC cameras here? Why they are putting in walls CC cameras means for the purpose of observing. When the management will do this work means at the time the employees will get alert. Oh, if we will not do work effectively means at the time they will come and they will ask. They will scold also. So we have to work effectively and efficiently. Okay, this is the one type of the controlling system in every organization. In banks also we can see, in education institutions we can see, in hotel, everywhere, wherever we want we can see. In every company's business institutions we can see the CC cameras. What purpose they are fitting means here for the purpose of observing the peoples. We can observe. Means at the time the employees have fear. When they have been alert, oh, CC camera is working, I have to do work effectively, otherwise the manager will know if I will not work. So if they will have that mind means they can do work properly. This is also one controlling system of the business organization. Okay, and when they work effectively, efficiently means at that time automatically it will create the discipline. Yes, it is order to create the discipline in the organization. Okay, and the next one it is help to coordination in the action. Yes, when the company will give the equal priority, equal preference to the all employees. When the company will give equal preference to the all the peoples means peoples or employees. If they will give means at that time coordination automatically created in the organization. When we will provide training, when we will give more incentives, when we will give more facilities, at the time they will encourage. When they will encourage means at the time they can coordinate with the employees. Okay, if the manager the manager will communicate with the peoples or employees freedomly they will communicate means compulsory they will coordinate with the employee, compulsory they will coordinate with the manager. If the manager will give freedom to talk to peoples means peoples or employees. Okay, if the manager will give to the employees means the employees will give the what's the problem, what's the situation, everything they will explain. When they will explain, that time the manager will know what's happening in the organization. They will know and they will correct it, that problems. Okay, when this coordination is there, coordination between the manager and employees, if it is there any coordination between the manager and employees means at that time they can share the problems easily. When the manager will know problem means they can solve the immediately. When they will solve the problems immediately, at the time we can achieve the organizational goals. This is the importance of controlling system. Okay, see here I am explaining once again here. It is help to achieving the organizational goals. And it helps to judging the accurate and okay, see here it helps to achieve the organizational goals. Every organization, all organization implement the plans for the purpose of to achieve the organizational goals. Okay, what purpose they will implement the plans means to achieve the organizational goals. They will find out the mistakes, immediately they will take the correct action. At that time we can achieve the problems easily. Okay, and next it is judging the accurate standards. Judging the accurate standards means here it is always the company, the business verifying the accurate standards and judging the accurate and standards. Why there means if it is their standard in that work means automatically we can achieve the organizational goals. That's why they can prepare here. Example already I told 100 units. They have to produce 100 units per day. But here if it is there any power problem is there means they can't produce. At the time we have to check what is the problem is there. We have to check and we have to solve and we have to give the preference to work there. Okay, that is standard and judging the accurate and standards. Okay, and effective use of the resources. Even they can see here good controlling system. They should reduce the wastage and spoilage of the resources. How they will means when the company will provide the training to employees means at the time they know how to use the resources. Means without training, if we will give to work to employees means at the time they will not work properly. If we will give training means they will work properly after. They will give proper training here. They will give proper training and after that they will give work. At the time they will not do mistake here. When they will not do mistake here means at the time we can achieve the organization problems, achieve the organizational goals here it is easily. We can reduce the wastage and spoilage of the reduces. Okay. And next one it is motivation. Motivation means here it is encouraging the people to achieve the organizational goals. Means why they are motivating. Why they are motivating means to achieve the organizational goals. For the purpose of to achieve the organizational goals. What facilities they will provide means incentives. More bonus they will provide. Incentives they will provide. provide. At the time they will encourage and they will do work effectively and efficiently. At the time they will not do mistakes here. They will do work effectively. And discipline in all CC cameras. Why they are putting the CC cameras in the organization means to observe the people. When the CC camera is there, even employees also will work effectively, efficiently. That's why they will fit. That's why in every organization they will fit CC cameras in every corners. Okay, and it is coordination and action. Coordination and action, when we will provide all facilities to the employees, at the time the employees also coordinate with the employees. And manager compulsory they have to coordinate with the employees. When the manager will coordinate with the employees, the manager will tell problems freely. When the employees will tell to manager means, at the time the manager will know what's the problem, they can solve easily. At the time we can achieve the organization problems easily here. Okay, this is the importance of the controlling. Next class we will see what are the limitations of the controlling and planning and controlling. Difference between the planning and controlling we will see next class. Okay students, thank you for listening.